Top 5. Worst bread for diabetics. You must avoid at all cost. Have you ever wondered how the bread you eat could impact your blood sugar levels? For diabetics, the wrong choice can be more than just a dietary slip. It can lead to dangerous blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, and long-term health issues. While bread is a staple in many diets, not all types are created equal. Some breads are packed with refined carbs and hidden sugars, sabotaging your efforts to keep blood sugar stable. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 worst breads you should avoid at all costs if you're managing diabetes. These options might seem harmless, but they can wreak havoc on your health, making blood sugar harder to control and increasing your risk of complications. Stick around, because understanding what to avoid is the first step toward making smarter, healthier choices. 1. White bread. White bread is a common staple in many households, but for diabetics, it's a silent health hazard that must be avoided. This bread is made from refined flour, which undergoes extensive processing to remove the bran and germ, the most nutritious parts of the wheat grain. What's left is a product with little to no fiber and primarily simple carbohydrates that digest rapidly. This quick digestion causes blood sugar levels to spike almost immediately after consumption, making it a poor choice for those managing diabetes. The lack of fiber in white bread is particularly problematic because fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Without it, the carbohydrates in white bread are broken down into glucose at an accelerated rate, overwhelming the body's ability to manage blood sugar effectively. Over time, frequent consumption of white bread can lead to insulin resistance, poor blood sugar control, and an increased risk of developing diabetes-related complications like heart disease or kidney damage. To make matters worse, white bread doesn't provide any significant nutritional benefits. During the refining process, not only is the fiber removed, but essential vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, magnesium, and iron are stripped away as well. What you're left with is an empty-calorie product that can sabotage your health goals. The energy from white bread is short-lived, leading to an inevitable crash that often leaves you feeling hungry sooner, increasing the temptation to overeat or consume additional unhealthy foods. So what's the solution? Swap white bread for whole grain options rich in fiber like whole wheat or sprouted grain bread. These alternatives have a lower glycemic index and are packed with nutrients that help stabilize blood sugar. For an extra layer of protection, pair your bread with healthy fats, protein, or fiber-rich vegetables, such as avocado slices or almond butter. These combinations slow digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and promoting steady energy levels. By avoiding white bread and opting for smarter choices, you're taking a powerful step toward better health. Don't let this seemingly harmless staple disrupt your blood sugar management or jeopardize your well-being. Make the conscious choice to eliminate white bread from your diet and instead explore healthier, diabetes-friendly options that will help you maintain control and enjoy a more balanced lifestyle. 2. Sweetened bread. Sweetened bread might sound like a tempting choice for a quick breakfast or snack, but for diabetics, it's a serious threat to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Packed with added sugars and refined carbohydrates, these breads create the perfect storm for rapid blood sugar spikes and subsequent crashes, which can wreak havoc on your diabetes management. Even a small serving of sweetened bread can introduce more sugar into your system than your body can handle, leading to disrupted blood sugar control, increased cravings, and weight gain. The primary issue with sweetened bread lies in the added sugars that give it its appealing flavor. These sugars cause a rapid release of glucose into the bloodstream, overloading your system and forcing your pancreas to work overtime to produce insulin. Over time, this strain can contribute to insulin resistance, a dangerous condition where your body becomes less effective at managing blood sugar. Furthermore, the refined carbohydrates in sweetened bread lack fiber, which is essential for slowing digestion and preventing glucose surges. This combination of high sugar and low fiber makes sweetened bread a harmful choice for diabetics. Another hidden danger of sweetened bread is its ability to trigger cravings. The high sugar content activates reward centers in your brain, creating a cycle of dependency that often leads to overeating and poor dietary choices. For diabetics, this can result in a dangerous spiral of weight gain and worsening blood sugar control, increasing the risk of complications like heart disease, neuropathy, and kidney damage. So, what can you do instead? Start by carefully reading labels when shopping for bread. Avoid any product with added sugars, high fructose corn syrup, or syrups. Instead, look for bread made from whole grains or sprouted grains, which offer natural sweetness without the added sugar. These options are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support stable blood sugar levels. You can also pair healthier bread with protein or healthy fats to further balance your blood sugar response. Choosing to eliminate sweetened bread from your diet is a crucial step toward better diabetes management. By opting for more natural and nutrient-dense alternatives, you can satisfy your taste buds without compromising your health. Take control of your diet and avoid the sweet trap of sugary bread. Your body will thank you for it. 3. Gluten-free bread. At first glance, gluten-free bread might appear to be a healthier alternative, especially for those avoiding gluten due to celiac disease or sensitivity. However, when it comes to managing diabetes, many gluten-free bread options could lead to unintended consequences. The issue lies in the ingredients used to replace gluten. Most conventional gluten-free breads are made from refined flours like rice flour, potato starch, or tapioca starch. These ingredients have a high glycemic index, which means they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, similar to or even worse than white bread. For diabetics, these quick sugar surges can make blood sugar management an uphill battle. The lack of fiber is another drawback of many gluten-free breads. Fiber plays a critical role in slowing digestion and ensuring a gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Without it, these breads are digested too quickly, leaving you with a spike and crash cycle that not only disrupts blood sugar control, but also leaves you feeling hungry soon after eating. This can lead to overeating, weight gain, and further complications for diabetes management. But does this mean all gluten-free bread is bad for diabetics? Not necessarily. The key is to choose the right type. Some gluten-free breads made from whole grain flours like quinoa, buckwheat, or millet offer better nutritional value. These whole grain options provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help stabilize blood sugar levels. By selecting these nutrient-dense alternatives, diabetics can enjoy gluten-free bread without jeopardizing their health. To make the most of your gluten-free bread choices, always read labels carefully. Look for breads that list whole grains as the main ingredient and avoid those with added sugars or starches as primary components. Pair your bread with high-protein or healthy fat toppings like avocado, almond butter, or grilled chicken to further slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream. This combination not only supports stable blood sugar levels, but also keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. Ultimately, not all gluten-free bread is created equal. While many conventional options can be harmful for diabetics, there are healthier alternatives that can fit into a well-balanced diet. By making informed choices, you can enjoy the benefits of bread without compromising your blood sugar control. So steer clear of refined, high-GI gluten-free breads and embrace whole-grain, nutrient-packed options instead. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your health journey. Cakes. Cakes may be a delightful treat for many, but for diabetics, they can pose serious risks. Loaded with refined sugars and processed carbohydrates, cakes are notorious for causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These quick surges in glucose can overwhelm the body's ability to produce or utilize insulin effectively, leading to insulin resistance over time. For diabetics, this makes managing blood sugar levels even more challenging, increasing the likelihood of complications such as nerve damage, cardiovascular problems, and fatigue. The primary culprit behind these spikes is the high glycemic index, GI, of most cakes. The refined sugars and flours used in their preparation break down quickly in the body, flooding the bloodstream with sugar. Additionally, cakes often lack essential nutrients like fiber, protein, or healthy fats that could help slow sugar absorption. As a result, they provide little to no nutritional value, leaving you with empty calories that only fuel cravings for more sugary foods, a dangerous cycle for anyone managing diabetes. But does this mean you must say goodbye to cakes forever? Not necessarily. The key lies in smart substitutions and mindful eating. For instance, You can opt for diabetic-friendly recipes that use almond flour, coconut flour, or oat flour as alternatives to refined flour. Natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol can replace the traditional sugar, reducing the glycemic load significantly. These tweaks not only make cakes more blood sugar friendly, but also provide additional nutrients to support overall health. When indulging in cake, portion control is critical. A small slice paired with a source of protein or healthy fat, like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts, can help balance the meal and prevent a sharp sugar spike. Moreover, consider homemade options over store-bought ones. Prepackaged cakes often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy trans fats, and preservatives that can exacerbate health issues. By baking your own, you have complete control over the ingredients and can ensure they align with your dietary needs. Lastly, balance is everything. If you decide to enjoy a slice of cake, make adjustments to your overall carb intake for the day. For instance, reduce the portion size of other high-carb foods at your next meal to compensate. Incorporating regular physical activity can also help offset the impact by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting glucose uptake by muscles. 5. Donuts. Donuts might be a popular breakfast or snack choice, but they are one of the worst foods for anyone trying to manage diabetes. Packed with refined sugar, trans fats, and processed carbohydrates, donuts are a recipe for disaster when it comes to blood sugar control. The sugar content alone is enough to cause a rapid spike in blood glucose levels, which can leave you feeling fatigued and lead to insulin resistance over time. Moreover, the trans fats commonly found in donuts can increase bad LDL cholesterol, putting your heart health at risk, a significant concern for diabetics who are already at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Why are donuts so problematic? First, the combination of high sugar and low fiber means your body processes them too quickly, leading to an immediate surge in blood sugar. Second, most donuts are deep-fried in oils that contain trans fats, which not only harm your heart but also disrupt insulin metabolism, making it harder for your body to manage glucose. The refined flour used in donuts lacks essential nutrients like fiber and protein, leaving you with empty calories that provide little satiety and encourage overeating. Does this mean you can never enjoy donuts again? Not necessarily, but it requires smart strategies. Consider baking your own diabetic-friendly donuts at home using almond flour or coconut flour, which have a lower glycemic index and are rich in nutrients. Swap out refined sugar for natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol to minimize the impact on your blood sugar. For frying, avoid unhealthy oils and try baking your donuts instead. This eliminates the trans fats and significantly reduces calorie content. Portion control is another essential factor. If you indulge in a donut, make it a rare treat rather than a regular habit. Pairing it with a source of protein or healthy fat, such as a boiled egg or a handful of nuts, can help balance blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full for longer. Be mindful of your overall carbohydrate intake for the day and adjust other meals accordingly to avoid exceeding your limits. When choosing store-bought options, read the labels carefully. Look for products made without trans fats or artificial additives and opt for smaller sizes to limit your sugar intake. Better yet, consider healthier alternatives like protein-packed muffins or low-carb snacks that provide energy without the harmful effects of traditional donuts. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on bread entirely, but it does mean making smarter, informed choices. By avoiding the top offenders like white bread, sweetened bread, gluten-free bread made from refined flours, cakes, and donuts, you can take a huge step toward better blood sugar control and overall health. Always prioritize bread that's high in fiber, low in added sugars, and made from whole grains or nutrient-dense alternatives. Your health is worth the effort. What do you think about the breads we discussed? Have you tried replacing them with healthier options? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips to manage diabetes and improve your health. Make sure to check the links in the description for other videos you'll find helpful, and always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and stay healthy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.